Hi guys, I'm back with yet another video. This video is going to be short, sweet, and straight to the point. A lot of you do come into my DMs asking me if I still sell wholesale or I have Versagel or all of that. So unfortunately at this point in time, I cannot provide you with those products, but I am going to give you 5 pages on Instagram or website that you can actually purchase a lip gloss starter kit. If you are interested in buying anything related to lip gloss businesses, so it's just the top 5. I am going, however, to share more as time goes by. So do actually make sure that you stick around, subscribe, comment, and like. All of the pages that I'm going to share with you, they are based here in South Africa, so you don't have to stress about actually waiting 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks for shipping. And for that matter, you don't have to stress about the hassle of customs and all of that. Do forgive me, I'm using natural lighting, hence the light keeps changing. Let's get into the video. I'm just going to give you 5 places where you can be able to buy lip gloss business essentials to actually start your business. I can't pronounce them, guys, so the best thing that I'll do is that I'll just stop talking. I'll go and do a screen recording of all of these places on Instagram, then I'll attach it on this video. If you have any questions, you can answer in the comment section below. Other than that, I will get back to you, see you on my next video, and I hope you stay safe and stay blessed. Hi guys, as you can see, I have just moved on to my Instagram. I'm going to search all of the 5 lip gloss vendors that I had spoken about in the beginning of the video. It's just a screenshot. 3 of them, the first 3, they do have websites, then the last 2, they do not have websites. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do however want to make a screenshot so that you can be able to keep the names, or you can write the names down, you can do so. If you have any questions for me, you can ask. I have never personally ordered from them, but I have been following their pages for a while now, and I can attest and assure you that they do deliver, and their work speaks for itself, as you have seen from the video shots of their pages and their feed. So yeah guys, I hope to see you on my next one. The last screen is just me posting my Instagram, so you can just follow us there for more content and for marketing and branding ideas and tips. However, I'll see you on my next one. Lots of love. Bye.